welcome back to another show with the Crafty Hook. Again, my name is Nona and I am the creator of the channel. Glad to have you all stopping by today. So as stated, today is another what I call a yarn haul. I had a couple of orders come in, one from Hobbi Yarn. I did get, I believe, one, possibly two different new rolls and colors of yarn. I also have a couple others I want to go over with you that I haven't used before and kind of talk about those as well. Okay, so all of us crocheters, loom knitters out there, we always have a certain color and a certain yarn that we really like to work with, such as myself. My favorite yarns that I really like to work with, as I've stated before, is Hobbi Yarn and Yarn by Premier. I have a couple of different ones that I really like off the site, such as the big ball yarn, the mega ball yarn from Hobbi Yarn. You get quite a bit. I believe that one is like a weight 3, I believe. And I will definitely show those in the video as well. So today, yesterday, I got my package in the mail from Hobbi Yarn and from Premier. Now, I only ordered a couple of different things from each one this time because I still had quite a bit back on the shelf here, but I kind of found a couple colors I really liked. The first one I found was this one here, Hobbi Horizon yarn. They had it kind of on sale. I believe it was like $11 a roll. But I really liked the color mixture in here. Kind of the blues, the greens, and the kind of a purple blue, I guess, right here. And this one here is a weight 3. But as I've always said, Hobbi Yarn is just, it's so soft. And I love to do my, like, scarves or crowels, things like that, on the loom. And I usually use, depending on the size of the loom and the width, I use 1, possibly 2 strands of this yarn, and I can still come out with a really nice project. So again, this one is the Hobbi Horizon. And what color was this one? Doesn't really say the color. I apologize. I guess the Horizon might be the color, but it is Horizon Hobbi Yarn. You can find that at hobbi.com, hobbiyarn.com, and I'll try to remember to put that in the description below as well. Also, I went on premieryarn.com. And sorry about this roll, I kind of pulled out a little bit to kind of look at it. It's the Coffee Shop by Premier. This yarn is a really nice yarn, and I kind of really liked this color, kind of like for a fall style. I'm thinking of doing a sweater. I'm trying to challenge a sweater for my first time, so I really like this color, and I got like 2 or 3 rows of this so far to see how it works out. This one here is a weight 3. And the color is Kona. This is a Kona Coffee Shop by Premier. And this is 85% acrylic and 15% wool. And it looks like it's 284 yards a roll. So definitely can check out the Coffee Shop. And this is the color Kona on premieryarn.com. So that's another one that I really like. And then I was at Walmart the other day, and they had these yarns. I've never used this one before, but it was on clearance, and I got it for like $3.50 a roll. These ones here, the Mandala Ombre. And I kind of started looking at them. It is a 4-weight yarn. And there's 344 yards in one roll, and it is 100% acrylic. But I actually got 3 different colors on this to try. I got this one here on the mandala. And I believe this is a weight, this is a weight 3. So this is a weight 4. This is a little bit thinner yarn. It's a weight 3, but it is also by Mandala. And I kind of liked it because I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but this is considered sparkle yarn. There's like some sparkle going on in each one of the colors here, like the blue. There's blue sparkles and so on. So, and it doesn't feel rough. Most yarns with like the tinsel and that's in it kind of usually feels pretty rough, but this actually feels pretty soft. So I'm thinking of a project with this here. And then it's kind of neat because I guess it shows you kind of here. Kind of shows you here the pattern, how it lays it out if you follow the stitch count in that on the pattern. So that's what I was kind of looking at when I seen this. I was like, that's really pretty. And then the next one I got, now this one's a little bit bigger. This is Mandala also. And this is a 3-weight yarn. 100% acrylic. And this color, oh, it doesn't look like it has a color. It just says 525. It doesn't have an actual name on it. But I really liked the blend of this also. And then it also shows you like here on the side how it kind of comes out with those colors. So I thought those are kind of neat fall colors as well. So for my next fall project. But this is really actually not much softer than the Hobbi yarn. It almost feels identical. You can feel a little bit of a difference, but not much to me. But I really looking forward to trying this out and seeing how it comes out, like in a hat or a scarf or something. Then I ran over to Joann Fabrics, because our Joann Fabrics on Walmart was kind of in the same parking lot, and they were having a yarn blowout, or yarn blowout sale or something. And me and my daughter actually found these and said, hey Mom, I think you might want to try these. It is a big twist at Joann Fabrics, and this is a weight 4 yarn. And this one, this is blue multi is the color. How many yards? Don't see where it says how many yards are on there. But yes, it is the big twist multi-blue colored one. As you can tell, there's several different mixes of the blue in here. And it feels really nice as well. It is 100% acrylic as well, I believe. Yes, that's what it's showing. So, yes, again, the big twist, multi-blue, and this is a weight 4 yarn. And it kind of actually seems a little thick. But it definitely feels soft. I mean, I don't feel the roughness like I do in most acrylic yarns that I use. So definitely try that one out. Here's another one here. It is a big twist also. And this one kind of had some grays, yellows, and then like a light tan here. This is a weight 5. This is a bulky kind of yarn. And the color on this one is yellow multi. So this one, as you can tell, is kind of a little bit bulkier, and I don't know, I thought this would be probably kind of nice for a nice winter hat, really kind of thick winter hat. So I just got one roll of that to kind of try it out. And then the last one I got was also the big twist here. This one color is blue-green multi. And it is also a 4-weight yarn. But what I kind of noticed on here is it kind of got some purple kind of mixed in there. So it's not all just blue. You got a little bit of gray, blue, purple, and then white and blue kind of mixed together. And it's a 4-weight yarn. This one is not, I would have to say, this one, the 5 bulky yarn on this brand seems to me a little bit more softer than this 4-weight yarn, but I definitely like the colors. That's the main thing I liked about this, was the colors. So yeah, that is my yarn haul for the week. Just kind of got a little bit of a different variety here. I only ordered one roll, or no, I ordered 2 rolls of the Hobbi. I got 2 rolls of this color. so I can try to make a hat, because I'm probably going to use 2 strands on that. And then I just tried the one on the coffee shop from Premier, and then I just did a variety with the mandala. I had 3 of the mandala, or no, 4, because I have the sparkle one. I tried that one. So I got 4 rolls of the mandala, and then I have the 3 different rolls of the big twist from Joanne Fabric. So I kind of got the 5 weight and I got the 4 weight. So kind of want to try that out too. I know I have a lot of projects that I'm trying to plan out already, and I haven't even finished the 3 I'm working on. So y'all, that is my yarn haul for this week. Definitely hope you liked the video. I did notice that we got quite a few subscribers. Welcome. I welcome each and every one of you, and I appreciate you all for supporting my channel. If you like this video, definitely give us those thumbs up. That helps us out on my channel. If you're new and this is the first video you've seen, again, my name is Nona, and this is the Crafty Hook, and we do all different kinds of tutorials, talk about different yarns, what my favorite yarns are, my projects, things like that. So definitely come on along, hit that subscribe button, follow me on my journey. I'm glad that you all stopped by today, and we'll catch you all on the next video. Have a wonderful day, y'all. Bye-bye.